Hello friends, welcome once again to Prismatics online class. In today's class, we are going to look at what the topic on board matrices. And under the matrices, we are going to look at what determinant of what 2 by 2 matrices. In our previous class, we made mention of what transposition of matrices, subtraction of matrices, multiplication of matrices, addition of matrices, and we even define the matrices and application of matrices. But today we are going to look at what the determinant of what a matrices, determinant 2 by 2 matrices. Okay, the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrices denoted by a determinant is equal to a d minus bd. Where do we get this? Now let's look at this. That a, given that a is equal to a11, a12, a21, a22. When we have this like this and somebody asks us to find what a determinant, our a determinant will be what? Now we have what we called the right leading diagonals. Something here, something here. We call it what? Right what? Leading right hand side minus the left what? Hand side. So that is it. So first of all, you need to observe this one first. This one was second. So now this from here to here, the right leading diagonal, while from here to here is left leading diagonal. So this first before this. Even if you want to blow, you blow this first before this one. So that is this times this minus this times this. That is how to find determinant of what? A matrices. Okay, thank you. Let's look at it on the board. Right times minus left. So which is now a11 multiplied by a22 bracket close minus a12 multiplied by a21 close it, and that is what how to do. That is what determinant of what? A matrix. That is how we get this formula. Always remember that this aij is equal to 0. Aij is near to 0, meaning that in everything in this life, whatever weight, whatever thing you acquire in this life, that at the end it must be near to 0. Whether you belong in the class of what poverty, or the class of people that have wealth, you make it in life, you do not make it, whether you are educated or you are not educated, the probability of life that you are good or you are bad, at the end everything is near to what? 0. This I is what? Is the roots what? Of what? The matrices. While the J is what? The column side of what? Matrices. So everything, the summation of everything, aij, the matrices of life, whatever thing in life is near to 0. So whatever thing you think you have, please be careful in life, because you are equal to what? 0, and that is the end of it. Okay, in a determinant, let's continue where we stop. I hope you understand. And they gave us this question to solve. Solution what? Solution I. They say that a equal to 3 minus 1 minus 4 7. Close it. So now we have to look for a determinant. Right times this times this minus this times this, which is now 3 times 7 minus what? Minus 1 times minus 4. Close it. 3 times 7 is what? 21 minus into bracket. Minus times minus will give us 4. Minus, yes, minus will give us 4. Minus times minus is plus. So that is plus 4. Now this is 21. 21 minus 4. 21 minus 4. We give us that our A determinant is equal to what? 17. And that is how to solve it. I hope you are done. You okay? Okay. Let's look at B. The B aspect of it. The B aspect of it says that B solution II. B is equal to 3 minus 2, 7 and 4. 7 and what? 4. Okay, we are going to look at what? B determinant. B determinant will be 3 times 4, bracket close bracket, bracket open, bracket close, minus this time this, minus this time this, into, you need to be using this bracket, open bracket, because you'll be seeing some of the elements, some entries bearing minus. Look at it, minus 2, you now see minus 2 multiplied by what, 7, close it. So now what do we have here? 12. 12 minus into this, minus 2 times 7 will give us minus what? 14. So close it. Now minus times minus will give us 12 plus what? 14. So our B determinant is equal to what? This to this will give us what? 26. So 26 is the answer. Okay, I hope you are done. No problem. You are done with it. Okay. Now let's go to solution 3. Solution 3. Solution 3, we have that D is equal to I square minus I power 3 plus 1 plus I. What? I here. So, and we have this like this. What do we find? We find the determinant, which is the same thing as well. I multiply by what? I square. Close the bracket. Minus what? Minus I plus what? I. That is, this is a very big bracket. Multiply by what? Minus I power. Minus I power 3. Close it, or the big bracket. Now let's go. We have I times this. By a lot of indices, you add their powers. This is I raised to power 3 minus into big bracket. 1 times this will give us I power 3. 1 times I minus I power 3 will give us what? Minus I power 3. Okay. 1 times, okay, that one, okay. 1 times this is this. Now this time this, which is I plus I times minus I power 3 will give us minus I, by a lot of indices, I power 4. Close it. Now let's go. I power 3. This minus times this will give us what? Plus. Plus what? Plus I power 3. This minus times this one will still give us what? Plus I power 4. Now let's go. So from lot of indices, this may be your answer if you like. This you may leave your answer like this. But if you know that from lot of indices, recall that I squared is equal to what? Minus 1. So you can separate this. This can be now I square minus times I bracket plus what? I square times I, close it, plus I square times I square, close the bracket. Okay, if this is minus 1, what do we have? Minus 1 times I plus minus 1 times minus 1 times what? I plus minus 1 times minus 1. Close it. What do we have here? We have I times 1 minus 1 times I will give us minus I plus what? Minus times, which is give us minus I. 1 times 1 plus what? 1. Okay. So finally, what do we have? We have that D determinant is equal to I plus I plus I will give us what? Minus 2I. Minus 2I plus what? 1. And that is our determinant. That is our answer. So, and that is how to solve it. Okay. Thank you. Now, finally, let's look at the T, determinant of what? T, which is here. This time, this which means 1 over 2 multiplied by minus 3 over 5, close it, minus what? 2 over 3 multiply by minus 1 over 3. Close it. This times this will give us minus 3 over what? 10 minus into bracket minus 2 over what? 9. Close it. Minus minus will give us minus 3 over 10 plus what? 2 over what? 9. What do we have? Find the LCM. LCM is what? 90. 90 go to this 9. 9 times this will give us minus 27. 90 go to this 10. 10 times 2 give us what? Plus what? 20. Now this plus this will give us what? Minus 7 over what? 90. And that is our answer. Thanks for watching. That is how to do determinant of what? A matrices. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Matrices online class, and follow me on WhatsApp, on Facebook, Matrices online class. Bye and God bless you. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.